Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Celebrity People. Now we are talking about Kate Winslet. Kate Elizabeth Winslet, CBE, is an English actress. She is particularly known for her work in period dramas and often portrays Arcs-ridden women. Winslet is the recipient of various accolades, including 3 British Academy Film Awards, and is among the few performers to have earned Academy, Emmy, and Grammy Awards. If you love Kate Winslet, watch this video to end, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Kate Winslet biography. Real name Kate Elizabeth Winslet. Nickname the English Rose, Crozet Kate. Occupation actress. Years active 1991 to present. Ethnicity white. Zodiac signs Libra. Date of birth October 5th, 1975. Age 45 years. Place of birth Reading, United Kingdom. Nationality British. Religion Anglican or Episcopalian. Net worth. Kate Winslet is an English actress who has a net worth of $65 million. Education. Kate Winslet began studying drama at the age of 11 at the Red Roofs Theatre School. Best known for 1997 film Titanic for her role as Rose DeWitt Bukater or Dawson. It was a blockbuster super hit worldwide. She got nominated for 15 awards, out of which she won 4. Manager. She is signed with this agency's Creative Artist Agency, United Agents Limited, UK. Brand endorsements. Spokesmodel of Lancome since 2007. Throughout her career, she has appeared in a number of commercials, which are American Express credit cards, Sugar Puffs cereals, UK, Lancome, Longines, Dolce Vita watches. Kate Winslet physical stats. Body types voluptuous. Height 5 feet 6 inch and half or 169 cm. Weight 63 kilograms or 139 pounds. Body measurements 37, 26, 36 inch or 94, 66, 91.5 cm. Eye color blue. Hair color blonde. Shoe size 2 US or 6 UK. Distinctive features voluptuous body. Kate Winslet professional debut. First album. Kate didn't release any album. She has just contributed by singing songs in the movies and related work. She was given Grammy Award for the Best Spoken Word Album for Children in 2000 for her work aimed at children. She has been included as a vocalist on some soundtracks of works she has performed in. Her other work in this field is the single What If from the soundtrack for Christmas Carol, the movie 2001. It was a hit single. First film. In 1994, Kate did a New Zealand film, Heavenly Creatures, for her role as Juliet Hummy. She starred in this film and won 3 awards also, which are Amper Award for Best British Actress, London Film Critics Circle Award for British Actress of the Year, New Zealand Film and TV Award for Best Foreign Performer. First TV show. 1991 TV show Dark Season was her first show. She did the role as Reed. This show was a teen drama science fiction show comprising of just 6 episodes of 25 minutes each. It was shown on BBC One from November 14, 1991 to December 19, 1991. Kate Winslet family and siblings. Father Roger John Winslet, swimming pool contractor. Mother Sally Annie, Knee Bridges, barmaid. Siblings Beth Winslet, younger sister, actress. Anna Winslet, older sister, actress. George Winslet, younger brother. Kate Winslet, spouse and children. spouse Edward Abel Smith married on 2012. Sam Mendes, film director, married from 2003 to 2011. Jim Therapliton, film director, married from 1998 to 2001. Daughter Mia Honey Therapliton. Son Joey Mendes. And Bear Blaze Winslet. Kate Winslet unknown facts. Kate Winslet has 3 siblings. Anna, older sister, Beth, younger sister are actresses. Her younger brother, Josh, is the only sibling who is not in the acting profession. Kate has also worked as an assistant director in the 1998 film Hideous Kinky. Her daughter, Mia, got her name from an Italian version of the English word Mai. She was born in the same hospital as her former husband, Sam Mendes. Kate was born at 7:15 a.m. BST. Winslet was also bullied in her school because of her bad hair, big feet, and chubby body. She was given the CBA Commander of the Order of the British Empire in 2012 birthday honors for her services to drama. Leonardo DiCaprio and Penelope Cruz are Kate's good friends. Kate's children call him as Uncle Leo. He brought her an insubscribed gold ring after they did together a 2008 film Revolutionary Road. She once missed the premiere of Titanic 2007 film as she was attending a funeral of her former boyfriend Stephen Tedray, dated 1991 to 1995. She prefers to wear boots than ordinary shoes so that she can walk easily. She was selected as a star on Hollywood Walk of Fame in 2012. Kate Winslet house details. Kate Winslet lives in a luxurious house which is located in Reading, Berkshire, England, United Kingdom.